Hello students, welcome to our today's session. In our today's session, we have learned regarding various elements of Microsoft Word environment. So dear students, as you can see in this picture, we have various elements of Microsoft Word environment. Just like Office button, then quick access toolbar, then title bar, menu bar, ribbon, ruler, status bar and toolbar. So dear students, these are the various elements of Microsoft Word environment. So our first element is Microsoft Office button. So dear students, as you can see, basically Microsoft Office button is a button that provide access to menus command in Word. Whatever the menu commands in Microsoft Word, if we want to access these commands, so there is an option that is Office button. So dear students, what are the various things that come under Office buttons? We can see these one by one. So here you can see the Office button is located in the upper left corner of the following 2007 Microsoft Office system program. Okay, so dear students, as you can see in this image, the Microsoft Office button is in the upper left corner of the Microsoft Office system program. Okay, and it contains various options. Just like here you can see, if we want to create a new document, then we can take the help of Office button. Then dear students, if you want to open existing document, then who will help you? That is your Microsoft Office button. Then if you want to save document, okay, and there is option to print document. So there are various options that are available in Microsoft Office button. So this is our first element of Microsoft Word environment. Okay, this is our first element. Now dear students, just like we have another element, that is title bar. So as the name indicate, basically a title bar is a horizontal bar at the top of an active document. Okay, if you have an active document and the bar at the top of active document is known as title bar. Okay, so basically it will define the title of your document. Then dear students, we have another element just like ribbon. So what is a ribbon? Okay, so dear students, basically a ribbon is an area across the top of the screen. You can see we have here ribbon at the top of the screen that marks almost all the capability of Word. Okay, that is available in a single area. Basically dear students, this ribbon can replace menus and toolbar that is available in its previous version. So dear students, if you can see some previous version of Microsoft Word, okay, in those version we have the options for menus and toolbar, okay, but these options are replaced by ribbon. So then dear students, we have another element, that is tab. Okay, why we are using basically tab? Dear students, you can see in this image we have various tab options just like home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view option. So dear students, basically these are the default tab. And what is the tab? These are the area on the ribbon that contain buttons. Okay, basically what is tab? Area on the ribbon that contains button that are organized in group. Okay, so these are the basically area, okay, on the ribbon that contain button. Then dear students, we have another element, that is quick access toolbar. So dear students, basically you can see at the top of an active document we have a toolbar, that is quick access toolbar. So dear students, by default, if you want to see, save, undo and repeat option, so these options are available by default in the quick access toolbar. Okay, basically this bar is used to customize your documents by taking the help of these commands. Dear students, such like this we have another element just like status bar. So why we are using status bar? So dear students, you can see Basically, a status bar is a horizontal bar at the bottom of the active window or active document. Okay, so whatever the document that is active, there is an bar, okay, that is at the bottom side, and this bar can give the detail of the active document. Okay, basically it can tell the status of the document. Then dear students, we have another element that is known as view toolbar. So basically, what is view toolbar? It is a toolbar that enable, adjust and display different views of an document. Okay, what are the various views of your document? So if you want to see these different views, we can take the help of view toolbars. So these dear students, these are our various elements of Microsoft Word environment. Okay, so just like here we can see our office button is at the upper left corner. So these are the various elements of office button. Then dear students, as I can tell you, we have ribbon tab. And again, why we are using ribbon tab? Basically, if we want to use all the capability of word in a single area, then we are taking the help of ribbon tab. So dear student, these are your ribbon tab. So basically in MS Word, these tabs are classified into three types. Our first type is standard tab, then second type is contextual tab, and third type is program tab. Now what is standard tab? So dear students, basically you can see in the ribbon, we have home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, help. So these all options are standard tab. Then dear students, we have another tab that is contextual tab. So what is contextual tab? So dear students, whenever you are seeing picture tool option, drawing option, so that come under contextual tab. So how we are using contextual tab? So dear students, if you want to use contextual tab, first of all you have to click on insert tab option, then you have to click on table tool option. Okay, and after table tool option you have to draw some specific tables. Okay, and so the whenever you are drawing some specific table, that will come under contextual tab. Then dear students, we have another tab that is program tab. So basically when we are using program tab, so dear students, first of all you have to click on office button, then you have to select print option in office button menu, then dear students you have to click on print preview option. So whenever you are clicking on print preview option, you will see that the standard tabs were substituted with the print preview tab only. So that is your program tab. So dear students, in our today lecture, in our today session, we have learned regarding various elements of Microsoft Word environment. Okay, so what are the various elements of Microsoft Word environment that we have learned today? Our first element is quick access toolbar, our second element is office button, then menu bar, then ribbon, then title bar, then status bar and view toolbar. So dear students, thank you for watching our today session.